Purnamami sada Prabhupadupadam Purnamami sada Prabhupadupadam. Bhagavan speaking in Bhagavad Mahaprabhu, Man mandir kare diram. My temple you can make big temple, my temple, big festival, everything. And whereas Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking, don't try to make big temple. Mat mandir dalan badi na kore prayas in Bengali. Mat mandir and dalan badi, big building, mandir, don't do it. Mat mandir dalan badi na kore prayas. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking this way, and Bhagavan speaking to Uddhav, Man mandir kare dviram, big temple you can make. So how you can harmonize? You are in confusion. Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking lie or wrong. And Bhagavan speaking this way, Bhaktivinoda Thakur speaking this way. Always there is some complicacy. If you have failure to harmonize it, then you can be in great problem. So what Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to say, that you in this bonded condition like to make big temple, what already Prabhupada told many times, by money power, by manpower, you cannot make any temple. Because you have money power, so you can make one, not that. Prabhupada told, by money power, manpower, nobody never can make any temple. Temple can be installed by a elevated, gigantic personality. How you can make temple? If so, then all the merchant, big merchant, they can make temple. So why one pure devotee can make temple? That is his temple. At present, whatever temple, wherever instruct construction, no pure devotees. I know they can become angry, but I can prove it by according to Shastra. They cannot speak even in a single word in front of me. All, this is not deity. All, wooden statue or, a stone. I am very sorry. I am very sorry that those Acharya, they are going to make temple different. I can show you, I can take you. It is not temple, prosquatter. Prosquatter. They know it very well. In a year going, big devotee. This is the condition. In infinity period, I can never make any compromise with them. Infinity period, not this life. I know those rascals. They are making this temple here, this temple. Are you try to control yourself first. This is a temple. Oh, horrible. They know very well what is happening there in the temple. But still they are going. Yearly, one time they are going, getting some pratishtha, collecting money, they are going. Surely Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking the truth. It's okay. Bhagavan can never speak lie. But the mood of Bhagavan, you cannot realize. One pure devotee can realize, like Bhaktivinoda Thakur. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, it is impossible for Bhaktivinoda Thakur to speak just the opposite of Bhagavan told. So what is the mystery in here? What is the secrecy? Secrecy is that Bhagavan wanted to speak to Uddhav. I mean, devotee, great devotees like Uddhav, Bhagavan speaking this for devotees, those who are really devotees. Those who are really devotees. They can serve Bhagavan, they can make temple. Because by money power, you cannot make any temple. Money power, manpower cannot help. Otherwise, Tata, Birla, all big merchant, they can also temple. We can go there, pay. Whereas Ramanujacharya speaking, any deity or any temple established by any non-devotee, non-Vaishnava, you need not pay pranam there. Ramanujacharya speaks. Any Shivlinga installed by non-devotees, non-Vaishnavas, you need not pay. One devotees should consider where to go, where not to go. Ramanujacharya speaking, one temple was installed. After that, for a long time, deities are not being worshipped for a long time. So, you cannot go there and pay them. Surely, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to save us, bonded soul, so that we can remain away. from installing temple. Because you are bonded soul. If you like to install temple, you will have to go and catch the lotus feet of rich man, give me money, I can. But pure devotees, by their desire, all temple, all everything can be done. This is the difference. By the influence, all from deeper and somebody giving money, somebody this is all from coming. Where from coming? And temple there. Because it is the desire of Bhagavan. Pure devotees, their desire is equal to the desire of Bhagavan. I told you many times. So no problem is installation of deity. They can do. So actually what Bhaktivinod Thakur wanted to say is this, that you bonded soul, in the name of installation of deity, installation of temple, you can be busy with some material work, whatever bhajan you are doing, somehow, you are doing something, that also you can go. Whatever bhajan you are doing, but that also you cannot concentrate in naam, nothing. Excitement. All going outside to collect money, give me money, I can make a one big festival already. But pure devotees, they can install temples, they can install deities, this is possible for him, installation of temple. Because by the invitation of pure devotees, Baldavji Maharaj coming to take place there in the temple. Because temple means Baldavji Maharaj. Temple means Baldavji Maharaj. Temple means Baldavji Maharaj. So Baldavji Maharaj, if not coming, so where you can give accommodation to Bhagavan? Where? Baldavji Maharaj not coming. Because Baldavji Maharaj surely cannot go here and there. If some pure devotee calling, he can go. Then he can invite Bhagavan also. So if Balramji Maharaj not coming this way, Bhaktivinoda wanted to give us instruction, you bonded soul, bhajan power is not. So if you are going to take some trouble this way, then ultimately you can lose whatever you had, you can lose. Better under the guidance of pure Guru Vaishnava, you go on hearing Harikatha to Kirtan, more practical. Many temples, here, just now here also, now temple making, just here, near Navadvip station. Some bonded people are going to make a big temple. This is one kind of business. Why not to speak Harikatha? Why not do Kirtan? No, they are interested. This is the condition. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur not speaking any wrong